Eco-festivals. Eco-festivals are celebrations of nature. They're educational and fun. And best of all, they help us learn how to help planet Earth. Let's take a look at 2 great eco-festivals around the world. Earthfest Ireland takes place over 3 days in June every year. In the daytime, children and adults learn about how to grow their own food and reduce waste. They listen to talks, go on nature walks, and do yoga. In the evenings, they watch live music and dance and sleep in tents. There are only 400 tickets available for Earthfest, so if you ever get the chance, don't miss the opportunity to join the festival, which makes you feel like one big family. Brighter Together Festival Kazakhstan is an event that takes place in different cities on different dates throughout the year. It is run together with the United Nations Development Programme and is for children and young people aged 5 to 20 years old. Thousands of students gather at each event to listen to presentations, take part in demonstrations, and watch live entertainment. There are workshops where they can learn about saving energy and water, the importance of recycling, and how to make their city environmentally friendly. Each Brighter Together festival only lasts 1 day, but the participants learn lessons that will last them a lifetime.